All right, I'm going to show you two ways to calibrate your Android battery. First of all, I want to make it clear, calibrating your battery doesn't actually improve physical battery capacity or make your battery healthier or last longer. What it does is reset the software battery stats file on your phone, so Android can accurately read your battery percentage. So if your phone sometimes drops from 30% to 1% in just a few seconds, or shuts off with 15% battery left, that's usually a sign that the battery needs to be calibrated, and a recalibration will fix those inaccurate readings. The process to do this is pretty simple. It's basically done by draining and charging your battery, and I wrote it down to make it easier to follow. First, you'll want to drain the battery completely. Use your phone normally, let your battery drain completely, and let the phone power off automatically when the battery dies. Then, before you charge it, power the phone back on and let it shut down again, just to make sure the battery is completely empty. Then, without powering on your phone, plug in the charger and let it charge to 100% without interruption. No unplugging in between, no powering it on at this point. Just let it charge continuously until the display shows 100%. Then, leave it plugged in for an extra hour to make sure the battery controller finishes trickling to maximum saturation. After that, unplug the charger, power on your phone, and if your status shows 100%, you're all set. If it shows 98 or 99%, just plug the charger back in until it hits 100%, and then reboot once more. So that's the standard way of calibrating your battery on any Android phone. If you're on a Samsung Galaxy phone, they actually have a quick battery calibration shortcut built in. You can go to the phone app, pull up the keypad, and depending on your phone, you'll type in either star, pound, 0228, and pound, or, like it works on my phone, it's actually star, pound, 9900, and pound. When I type that in, my phone goes into this system dump screen. Here, I can reset various things, so I'll scroll down to the part that says Battery Stats Reset and tap that. And that is how you calibrate your battery. Like I said, it doesn't change the way the battery performs, but it allows your phone to read the charge and display the percentage accurately. Hit that like button down there if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all.